Hey guys, it's W, and look at how well this boils. This is pretty awesome. This is the new Caraway Nonstick ceramic cookware set. I got the 12-piece set. It has pans, lids, and also kitchen storage as well. It's a non-toxic, you know, ceramic coating, and that's why I wanted to get it. I actually got it shipped to me, and the box looks like that. But the good thing about this is that the Caraway packaging is awesome. They package things really well, so it ships really well as well. It's sealed with this packaging tape, and taking that off is kind of fun. It was really tacky. So if you actually drop some of this on the floor, make sure you quickly take it off because otherwise it's stuck on the floor. It's very adhesive to non-porous, but on paper or on cardboard, it's fine to take off. Anyways, it comes in two boxes, and then the first box has a bunch of lids in it. That's where your lids are. It also has that canvas holder for the wall or inside your cabinet, and it actually has hooks too, the adhesive hooks. You could, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this against my wall or I'm gonna put it inside my cabinet, but I gotta figure that one out. Each of the lids are already wrapped with paper, so it doesn't scratch, and the finish is absolutely beautiful, as well as the non-stick, non-toxic finish is also on the bottom part of that lid as well. So that's pretty awesome. So cleaning this is gonna be super easy. Opening the second one, this is a healthy cookware looks like. This is what it looks like, and it is presented very well in this box. Look at how well that's done. And everything is cardboard, by the way. There's no plastic or anything right now. I haven't found any plastic to hold this stuff down, and I like how they did it. The only plastic is, of course, those holders, which we're going to take out. It comes with basically four cookware sets, and these are made in China. I think on the box it says it's designed in the U.S., but it was made in China, which is, most things are made in China. But it is gorgeous in terms of the finish, and I got the Peri Terra, or the pink color, which is basically very neutral to like my kitchen and stuff, since my kitchen is mostly white, and has like wood tones too. So I thought that the pink would be perfect for it. It doesn't look like red, doesn't look too hot, and it's awesome. Anyways, it also comes with this thing. This is actually the pot holders, or the I don't know what they call it, but it's the pot holder thing. It's all made of cork and stuff. It also has the instruction set in there too. And it also had a ribbon. I don't know what the ribbon was for. So there's the inventory of what it has, the manifest, and it has the pot holders and everything else like that, and storage. Very, very easy. This is actually stove agnostic, and that's why I got it, because I'm going to probably get an induction stovetop soon. So that's why I want to make sure, my cookware is induction ready. So I'm going to use gas and induction, but at the same time, my other pots and pans were all like non-stick stuff, and they were starting to wear down. So I decided to, retire those and switch over to ceramic. So that's why I got the Caraway non-stick ceramic cookware set. So I'm taking out the organizers that it came with, which is really, really smart because it's actually magnetic. So these magnetic things, you actually, move it, you could adjust it each way you want, but you can actually have these pots and pans actually stand vertical if you wanted to save space. And if you want to rearrange it or change it, you just go ahead and do it. Of course, this is magnetic, so the polarities do count. So sometimes you basically have to align it with the right polarity, and it does it. Underneath all the other packaging, there's nothing else under there. I tried and checked, but this is a pretty awesome packaging because everything is there. It's all folded in cardboard, which is really nice. So totally there's no other plastic packaging or plastic stuff here. I thought it was really well designed in terms of the shipping package, and everything was really well protected, and nothing got scratched or anything. Now, when I first looked at this, I thought, oh my God, my lid got scratched. But how could that be? I didn't know what it was, but because it was already in the top package, it was covered. So I tried scrubbing the scuff off, but it's not really a scuff because after I scrubbed it a few times, I realized it was a plastic layer, and I thought, oh my God, I should have looked closer. It's actually a plastic layer that got scuffed, and that's to protect the chrome or the finish. And after finding that and putting some dishwasher soap on it and try to scrub it, I realized that it's just a plastic layer that got scuffed, and I could peel this off. So voila. Yeah, I was fretting about that, and I was wondering, oh my gosh, I got, damage and stuff, but no, it isn't. It's just a plastic layer. It looks awesome. The finish, the paint finish, or the colors finish is good. The chrome finish is good. Everything is awesome on this pan. And the neat thing is that there's other stuff to this in terms of like the handles are also chrome as well, and they actually have a notch to make sure you don't hold the handle too far in the front. This is also oven safe too, so you could throw this in the oven if you're, let's say, cooking a steak. You shear the steak and you want to finish the steak in the oven. You could totally just put the whole thing in the oven and still cook it. And I think the max was, I think you're 500 degrees or so if you want to put it in the oven. So this should be pretty awesome. It does come with like the 10.5-inch frying pan, a 3-quart saucepan with lid, as well as a 6.5 quart Dutch oven with lid, and a 4.5 quart saute pan with lid. And of course, with all the stuff, after I wash it, you definitely want to wash it with soapy water, hot soapy water. But then what I also do is I boil each of the pans. So with hot water, or I boil it so that anything else in there, it gets super clean. Then I store it in my cabinet. So in my kitchen cabinet, I can actually store it horizontally or vertically. But I have the pots here right now because I haven't had time to actually put the, I'm not sure if I should put it on the door, which they kind of recommend to put it on the kitchen door or like the kitchen cabinet door. But what I'm going to do is probably put a second shelf here and just slide the pans on there so that I just don't have to put hanging anything, because, well, I could do that, or I could just put it against the door. It's all good. That's what it was designed for the canvas thing. I could just put it against this door right here and close it. But I really didn't want to put too much weight on the hinges, so I might just build a little shelf for it. Anyways, guys, this is the unboxing of my Caraway 12-piece Pericotta set. It is awesome, by the way. And yeah, this is a very awesome cookware that hopefully will last a long time. Anyways, guys, this is Sterling W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.